respected judges, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. I am Gazala Jamil Arshad from the Punjab school. Today, the topic of the notion is the menace of corruption in Pakistan. The word corruption is so popular in our society that even a totally illiterate person having no knowledge about the exact meaning of the word corruption is seen talking about this dangerous disease with accurate pronunciation. The word corruption is derived from a Latin word corruptus, means to break. National Anti-Corruption Strategy has defined the word corruption, a behavior on the part of the office holder in public or private sector whereby they improperly and unlawfully enrich themselves. Corruption is usually divided into three categories in Pakistan: petty, grand, and political corruption. Corruption is indeed a poison. Now, why there is corruption in Pakistan? Due to poverty and unemployment, inequality, moral decay, economic downfall, severe damage of institutions, frustration. Charles Caleb Colton once said, "Corruption is like a ball of snow. Once it is rolling, it must increase." As a result of materialistic and opportunist way of life, corruption has become an integral part of those people who are neither ashamed nor apologetic for their corrupt behavior. John Steinbeck said, "Power does not corrupt. Fear corrupts, perhaps the fear of loss of power." The corrupts are considered the privileged people of our society. We live in a society where people choose to be corrupt. Spiritual emptiness and weakness of religious belief is also the cause of corruption. Now, I would like to discuss the measures of this menace: effective accountability, rule of law, sufficient wages, independent appointment commissions, and constitutional policy. In the end, I would like to say that corruption is an evil that has played havoc and is an hurdle in socio-economic political development in Pakistan. The wave of corruption has spread from Karachi to Gwadar. If you don't take a stand against corruption, you tactfully support it. Start by doing what's necessary. Then do what is possible, and suddenly you are doing the impossible. Thank you.